Bhishma Ashtami. Bhishma, the grand uncle of the Pandava and Kaurava, was a great warrior. In Kurukshetra war, though Bhishma knew that the Kaurava were wrong, he had to fight for them as Bhishma was duty bound to defend Hastinapura. But alas, Bhishma fell to the ground, struck by arrows in his combat with Arjuna. Yet Bhishma would be dying a warrior's death on the battleground. At Bhishma's request, Arjuna created a befitting bed of arrows for Bhishma to rest and a water spring to quench Bhishma's thirst. In Bhishma Parva, Bhishma says that he is waiting for the return of the sun and the moon to breathe his last and calls this alignment as Sasi Surya Yoga. Sasi means the moon and Surya the sun. Since Bhishma was blessed with a boon by his father Shantanu of Icha Mrityu, that is, choosing the time of his death, Bhishma would wait till the sun turned north, Uttarayana, to depart from the earth. In the meantime, Pandavas won the battle and Yudhishthira became the king of Hastinapura. Raja Yudhishthira then went along with his brothers and Krishna to take Bhishma's blessings as well as worldly and ethereal truths. In Anushasana Parva, chapter 149 verses 14 to 20, Bhishma reveals the Vishnu Sahasranamam, the 1000 names of Lord Vishnu, a powerful hymn used for self-transformation and connecting with the divine. The Kurukshetra war started on 22nd November 3067 BCE, which was a Shukla Paksha Ekadashi. Bhishma fell on the 10th day of the war. The battle ends on 18th day. But Bhishma chose to leave his body on the 58th day, that is, the 8th day of the bright fortnight of the Magha month, Magha Shukla Ashtami. This day also occurred in Uttarayan when the sun begins its northward journey. The night of Bhishma's Nirvana was described as Saturn had stationed itself near Rohini star, that is, Aldebaran in Taurus constellation. We find that after the winter solstice, Uttarayana had occurred in lunar month of Magha on Shukla Paksha Saptami, 7th phase, brighter half on 17th January 3066 BCE. It is also called Magha Saptami, Surya Jayanti, Achala Saptami, Arogya Saptami and so on, and is dedicated to worship of the sun, has aptly come down to us by the name Ratha Saptami. When Bhishma was lying on the bed of arrows, he did Vandanam to Surya Deva. The return of the sun produces heat and thereby gives the heat energy to the beings in the northern hemisphere. Thus, Bhishma breathed his last on the day after Ratha Saptami, that is 18th January 3066 BCE, which day is commemorated as Bhishma Ashtami. Ashtami meaning the 8th phase of the moon. We conclude that Bhishma Ashtami is not just a day of remembrance, but a time to salute the value of sacrifice, duty, righteousness and Bhishma Pitamaha's unwavering commitment to Dharma, which serves as eternal inspiration for all of us. We cherish his life daily by chanting Vishnu Sahasranamam at dusk.